Applying for Social Security disability is tough. At the time when you're feeling bad enough to be considered disabled, the agency seems to want to make the process as difficult as possible. If you want to make their job easier, I can help you with that. Hi, I'm David Henson, Managing Partner with HensonFuerst Attorneys. We help people through the long and exhausting process of attaining Social Security disability benefits every day. Of the many things we've learned along the way, one lesson is clear. The Social Security Administration looks for reasons to reject your claim. Here are the top 5 things you can do to help Social Security shut you out of the system. Don't get medical care for your conditions. Medical records are the foundation of any Social Security case. Because disability benefits are all about proving illness or disability, judges treat medical records very seriously. Whatever is written there is taken as the gospel truth. And on the flip side, judges assume that anything not included in the records doesn't exist. That means that if you don't go to the doctor, then judges will believe that you aren't that sick or injured. Of course, you and I know that that assumption isn't completely fair because some clients have chronic pain and gain nothing from going to the doctor. But winning a Social Security case is about having proof. Without documented proof of your ongoing medical care, you will lose your case in all likelihood. Do drugs or alcohol. With all the doctor's appointments you'll be having as part of treating your illness or disability, you won't be able to hide a substance abuse problem, meaning drugs or alcohol. Doctors are masters at knowing when someone is taking drugs or drinking alcohol to excess, and they always make a notation of that in the medical records. And if your doctor somehow misses the signs, you can't fool blood tests or urinalysis. If you have a problem with drugs or alcohol, you can still receive Social Security disability benefits as long as you are getting treatment and trying to stay clean. Clients with a documented substance abuse problem need to get off the stuff, go to rehab, attend abstinence meetings, or do anything necessary to stay clean. Social Security judges have very little sympathy for folks who don't want to help themselves, and they'll deny a claim if they suspect that the applicant is an active user. Break the law or end up in jail. If judges don't like drug addicts and alcoholics, they deplore criminals. With so many people applying for Social Security disability and with limited funds available, judges will look for any reason to choose one applicant over another. And criminal activity is a fantastic way to help the judge stamp your file as rejected. And I'm not just talking about committing murder or bank robbery. Get yourself a DWI or two, or give someone a black eye after an argument, and you can destroy your case too. Don't keep your lawyer up to date on your situation. Your lawyer is your representative. We are your eyes, ears, and voice within the legal system. We need to know what you know, understand changes in your medical situation, and hear about what you're doing with regard to employment. We're on your side, and we can advise you about how to proceed if there are changes in your life or illness. There's really no good reason to keep secrets from us. If you do, we can't represent you properly, and we could both end up looking foolish in front of a judge. That's a great way to tank your case. Miss deadlines or appointments. It's hard enough to work through a Social Security disability claim if you play by the rules. But if you don't show up for your hearing, blow off a consultative exam, or fail to file an appeal within the required time, you're virtually asking not to be approved. Second chances are rare, and the courts take appointments and deadlines very seriously. If you worked hard all your life and end up injured or so sick that you can no longer work, you may be eligible to receive Social Security disability benefits. But just because you are eligible, that doesn't mean you are entitled. There is a world of reasons why your case may not be approved. Don't hand the courts a reason to deny your claim. This is David Henson with HensonFuerst Attorneys. For more information about how we can help you fight for your Social Security disability benefits, visit our website at lawmed.com/Social Security Disability or call us at 1-800-4LAW-MED. If you have questions, HensonFuerst has answers.